Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crypto Potluck. In this video, we're really going to be diving into Crypto Hopper once again, as we are nearing the point where a lot of people's free trials are getting to about to end. And I really just wanted to help give you guys my personal opinion on where you should go and I guess the upgrade that would best suit you. So I've played a lot with all of them, and I really want to tell you guys, you don't need the kangaroo trial. For most people, I really don't think that the kangaroo trial is going to be for you. And I have a better solution which will save you a lot more money, limit your risk, and allow you a lot more options. So here's what I'm proposing, okay? So the kangaroo, I guess trading on the kangaroo strategy, you get all of the coins. Basically, you can have up to 500 positions. Max select, you can select 75 coins. You get all coins for signals. You are able to create 10 triggers. And you get to buy within the 2-minute interval, okay? So all of this sounds dandy. It costs $99 per month, which is extremely expensive. And do you need it? No. Personally, for most people, I do not believe you're going to need the kangaroo subscription. The reason being is buying within 2-minute intervals, you don't want to do that regardless. In the crypto market, that is not a smart idea. I do not trade anything lower than 15-minute intervals, and even that, I really need to be knowing what I'm doing to be playing in that area, okay? Anything lower than that is suicide, and you are a gambler, okay? So with that said, you really don't need all these positions either, as if you've watched my past video, I highly suggest watching that because I dive into my trading strategy for Crypto Hopper and I guess the extensive method I go about to make sure that I make a profit even in a bear market, which I've been doing extremely well trading with Crypto Hopper. But with that said, I really think that honestly, you really don't even need the hair. I think a bunny trail would be perfect. However, I would like to propose a better way to go about the bunny trail, okay? So here's the thing. If you have a sizable amount, all right, so let's say anything over $1,000, I would highly recommend not just getting one bunny trial, but maybe 2 or 3. You will be saving a lot more money doing that than getting, honestly, any of the other options, and it gives you more of a safety net. And let me go more in depth on the reason why I'm going to suggest this, okay? So here's how I see it. Let's just say you have 3 subscriptions at $20. Your total investment per month is $60, okay? Why would you go about it this way? Well, you have the ability to break up your portfolio, put it on different exchanges, and create unique trading strategies for each. So with that said, this is the way I'm going about it. I usually don't even want to be trading anything larger than 15 pairs anyway. So the bunny trial is perfect for me. So putting part of my portfolio on Bittrex, part of my portfolio on Binance, part of my portfolio on Qcoin, and creating unique trading strategies for each of them will limit your risk drastically, and it is an extra way to make sure that you end up ahead. So there's another thing which I'm going to dive a little bit more in depth. Another key feature of why you should be doing this, or why you should consider going about this in this way, is if you jump into configuration, we can make our way down to, okay, this is the one that I usually love to use, is multiple TA factors, okay? Setting up this, honestly, I think 2 indicators is plenty. Anything over that, you're really going to be limiting the amount of reasons for you to make a buy. I personally give my best suggestion on the best technical analysis right now to use on Crypto Hopper, which is a pair between Stoch RSI and Bollinger Bands. Those have worked really, really nice for me. And with that said, the really interesting thing is right here. So one of the biggest issues which I pointed out to the Crypto Hopper, I guess, development team is that for the base settings, you have the ability to choose your candle, which is nice. But the thing is that, let's just say we pick 15-minute candle for this one, okay? These are the coins we selected, but let's just say we want to change the candle period on some of these. So Zcash, Ripple, Monero, we want 30-minute candles instead of 15 because it is a better way to make buys in the market, okay? So if we go into configure pool where you can set individual pair strategies, then we can dive in here and we can set up, let's just jump back. We got Monero, we said Ripple, and then we'll just say Zcash. Those were the three that I wanted 30 minutes. But the thing that you see is that there is no option here to change it to the 30-minute candle. So the 15-minute candle. So you're just stuck with the same candle trading for all of these, okay? This drastically changes how you see the market because there are some that you're going to want to trade, basically off of a 15-minute candle. There's sometimes 15-minute candles can make you a shit ton of profit, okay? But let me just type in one. XMR is a coin that I've been trading a lot. This isn't one that I would want to trade off of the 15-minute candles. Like, I guess you kind of could. I don't know. For me, I would rather just jump into an hour candle and trade it this way and just make sure that I'm getting the lows. It just depends. Like I said, once you learn the technical analysis and once you dive into it a little bit, more in depth, you will realize that some coins are better to trade in different intervals. And if you're able to establish that, okay, and if you're able to create, 3 different bots that are running simultaneously, trading in different intervals with small tweaks in the individual strategies, you can definitely outperform in this market. So for myself, moving forward, I already have a Kangaroo, I guess I've already subscribed to the Kangaroo setup, but I am not going to be moving forward with that in the future. I'm going to definitely be turning that off. I'm going to save myself the extra 40 bucks, and I'm going to only be using 3 separate bunny trials, attaching them to the 3 exchanges I mainly use, which is Bittrex, Binance, and Qcoin. And we're going to see where that goes. So that's going to be the new strategy moving forward. The technical analysis and everything else has kind of changed. In my last video, I kind of dove into how to find the technical analysis a lot better and how to really understand it. But with that said, there is one more thing that I would like to add, is that Crypto Hopper is also adding exchanges left and right. Like, they are really going above and beyond to make sure that this automation trading program is compatible to any and every exchange, as we are now entering in Cryptopia beta and Bitfinex. So those 2 are in the beta version. Qcoin is, there's still a few issues. I think that should still be in the beta version. But they are definitely moving in the right direction as far as that's concerned. One more thing that I'm noticing is that, for example, we got Kraken, we got Polyonex, and Bitfinex, and all these other ones, they allow margin trading. So I really think that, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that the team is going to hopefully enter in that area of margin trading, even though I would highly recommend not being as risky with that and putting large buys and really playing it conservative with margin trading. I really think that would be a really good way to bet against the market. And if they can create an automated process to, I guess, take that to its full potential, it's definitely something that I would love to see. And if you guys would love to see it, please let the team know, so that, it's not just me saying it, and so that we can make this happen, because I really think that it would be cool to have the only bot on the market that is able to margin trade. So with that said, I really just wanted to do a short video, mainly just talking about the subscriptions, making sure that you guys are saving some money, that you're not just diving into this, seeing the Kangaroo, I have to get the best of the best. You don't. Use your money smart. Go for the bunny trial. If you, I really think that is going to be the best bet for most people. If you really want to be playing in the 5-minute or the 2-minute intervals, then upgrade to the Kangaroo strategy. But like I said, you're going to end up gambling that route, and I really don't see those intervals as the best ways to invest, as it's too spotty. in my opinion, and you could end up getting screwed a lot easier. So with that said, I hope that this was able to provide some value in how you go about upgrading Crypto Hopper. And at the end of the day, you are your own investor. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you the next time. If you like this video, you need to check out cryptopotluck.net, where we have a whole list of video resources, articles, a community tab where you can talk about how you're trading. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the YouTube channel down below. Check out these videos. They're pretty well done. And through hard work and determination, you too can achieve your version of the American dream.